Hello friends, welcome back in one more video, and today we are going to discuss subject-verb agreement. We have already discussed two rules in previous videos. If you want to go through, I'll share link in description. So first of all, we should know what should be approach. First of all, we should spot verb. After that, apply rules. As per rule, next job is to spot subject, and at last eliminate option or options. Now, so rule number 3 is after, or, and, nor. What is after, or, and, nor? Subject will be after, or, and, nor. So whenever there is phrase before verb, subject will be after, or, and, nor. Look at an example. Watching hours or working time leads to overeating. So first job to spot verb. Before verb there is or. Subject will be after or. It's mean working time. Time leads overeating. Fine. Time singular, leads singular, it's fine. Remember, verb plus SES means singular. Option A is okay. Option B, it is incorrect. Why incorrect? Because time singular, lead plural. Without verb plus SES, it is always plural. After adding SES, it becomes singular. So time lead, incorrect. Option C, incorrect. Why? Because watch and to work. To watch and to work. If two words are connected with and, it becomes plural. So verb should be plural, but here verb is singular. Option D, incorrect. The reason is watching hours and working time. Again, and. Because of and, subject is plural, but verb is singular, and that is why option D incorrect. With rule number 2, there is one more rule, and that is before preposition. So if there is preposition after or nor, subject will be before preposition. Look at sentences. Either the math department chair or the members of the department post a challenge problem to the student body, but usually it is so difficult that they cannot solve it in a week's time. First of all, verb. Before verb there is or. Alright. So after or it will be subject, but the confusion is what should be subject, department or members. Remember, if there is preposition after or, in that case subject will be before preposition. So here subject will be members. Members plural. Alright, post singular, incorrect, and that is why option A out. Option B, here members post, okay. Option C incorrect. The reason is here members subject, post singular, members plural, incorrect. Option D incorrect. The reason is after or there is no preposition, and that is why here subject is department chair. Chair, post should be the correct one, but here it is post, and that is why incorrect. Why? Verb plural, but subject is singular. So this was the rule number 3. If you liked, please do write something in comment box, and yes, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for your patience.